And there we go. We finally got a claw machine. Let's see. Oh, she might get this one. She might get it. Oh, she might get it. Oh. Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Today's video is gonna be very exciting because as you guys can see, we finally got our very first brand new claw machine. What do you think? It's nice, huh?
That's really pretty.
Alright, so look, for those of you that don't know, I do have a bunch of vending machines on location. I got soda machines, snack machines. You guys can see I do have some back there already. But pretty much ever since I started making videos about my vending machines, I've had some of you guys tell me to get a claw machine, get an arcade machine, put it on location, and see how it does. Anyways, for today's video, we're gonna be turning on the machine. We're gonna clean it, put all this stuff inside, and put it on location today. What do you think, baby? It's gonna make more than the soda machines or what?
I honestly hope it does.
Why? We started with soda machines. We can't just like abandon them. Oh my god. Don't listen to her. I will never abandon you guys. She's just going crazy.
I swear, if you kiss her, I'm gonna throw this camera at your face. Jaime!
The business is growing. We're moving into claw machines. We actually got this location before I got this machine, and I have like 10 other people that want machines. So I don't know, I might have to place an order for like 10 more of these, put them on location, and of course I'm still gonna be doing vending machines. I love vending. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And real quick, before we get into the video, comment down below if you guys think that this machine is gonna make more money than a regular soda or snack machine. I don't know, I really don't know. But yeah, anyways, let's get right into the video. So here, let me open up the machine real quick. And okay, so we got this one down here already. But yeah, this is what the inside of the machine looks like. We got the bilk scepter right here. We got the coin mechanism right there. But besides that, that's pretty much it. Like compared to a soda machine, this is nothing, right? We also have this button down here, which I have no idea what it does. So if for some reason some of you guys know, comment down below and let me know, because I tried pressing it and nothing happens. And of course, up here is where we put all the plush. We got Patrick in there. We got SpongeBob.
Few inches later.
You got this, baby.
Alright, again, like I said, the machine is very loud, so I'm sorry if you guys can't hear me, but the machine is on right now. Alright, here we go. This is the first ever play on our first machine. Let's see if I got some good luck and if I can win something. Oh, I stabbed it.
You're cheating!
Shut up! Let's go, I better get it. Let's go, I got it. I better not drop it. There we go. First ever try on the machine. We got it. What are you gonna go for?
Whatever this is.
Oh, I dropped it. So I wanna see what this is. It came in a bag. I know you're a big fan of Ninja Turtles.
Look at this. You can't tell me that's not cool. It matches my shoes.
Oh, it really does.
Can I keep it?
What?
I want it.
Alright guys, so now for the hard part is getting this machine, okay, it's this big, into this van. What do you think? Is it gonna fit?
I think it will.
Is it? I don't know.
Or it might stick out a little. Yeah.
Oh, I like your math skills. Yeah, so the big question, is the machine gonna fit into here? I think after we take all this stuff out, it should fit laying down, of course. Alright guys, everyone right now cross your fingers that the machine doesn't fall and it doesn't break. So
don't jinx it. You can't say that.
Yo, so the machine actually fit inside of the van. I really thought it wasn't gonna fit, but check it out, it fits. Wait, but now, what about the doors?
The doors?
They're gonna close. I completely forgot about that. Please tell me it closes. Oh my, it doesn't close.
It closes, just not all the way.
Alright, so we actually didn't take off the wheels just because we couldn't, but we actually got some straps and we strapped the door together and it's not gonna go anywhere. Hopefully. Hopefully. Hey, what you driving? A V8? Alright guys, we are finally here at the location that we're gonna be dropping off the claw machine. I do have my hat on to, you know, look professional. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside and let the owner know that we're here to drop off the machine. So I'll be back and then we'll take the machine inside. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so here's the plan. So you're gonna go inside, you're gonna push it from the front, and I'm gonna like hold it from this side and just hopefully that, cross your fingers, it doesn't fall. Okay?
Okay.
Keep going.
Espérate. ¿Vamos para allá?
Espérate. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go inside and put the machine inside. There's like a couple people inside, especially the workers, so I'm not sure how much I can actually record, but I will record as much as I can. Anyways, let's get the machine inside and let's start making some money.
I've been all in them trenches. I've been all in my bag. You be all in my business. Know they notice me flexing. Fit in all of my fitness. My chain dance on my head big. My top heavy, I let it down. See me shining, they hating on me. They mean mugging, I let them down. She call me Poppy, I'm popping now. Happy, I'm hopping now. Money talks, I'm the only thing these broke boys should be talking about. They talking greasy, we eating healthy, we getting wealthy. You see the difference. Blew her back, then I blew her off. She salty, now she can't be the missus. My partner's country like cornbread.
Alright guys, so here we go. It's kind of hard to record, but we got the machine on, as you guys can see. And this is what it looks like. We still got to put all this stuff in the machines. And the owner actually said if we can change the lights to like blink slower, that way when people sit right there, it's not like right in their face, which makes sense. Alright, so before we actually put all the stuff in the machine, I'm gonna go ahead and take all this stuff out. That way we can clean the glass inside.
These out here going broke, trying to do this that they song said. I'm a once in a lifetime flex, never leave lifelines. Hit her with the nighttime text. Got no time to fight while I stress. I be dripping, baby. That I used to get missing lately. They acting iffy, he different, ain't he? Hop in the coupe and we dipping, baby. Yeah, the inside be looking like chicken gravy. In my vision, hazy. Know they hungry and hideous. Ride for my brother like Phineas. Finna go fill up a stash. I'm on a mission. My punch be itching, man.
Let's see, is it gonna pick it? Oh, it almost picked it up. All right, let me see. I have $2 more. Somebody has to win something, okay? Here, hold one. Let me put $1 more in. There we go.
Which one are you gonna get?
Try going for the guy with the green hair. He's laying down. Let's see. Oh, I grabbed it by the head. Oh, there we go. There we go. Let's go. Oh, they got it. Awesome. There we go. We got a win there. Let's see. Oh, she might get this one. She might get it. Oh, she might get it. Oh.
You almost had it.
Oh, are you going for the fish? All right. Oh, wait. Wait. No. Did you get it? Oh, almost. Alright guys, so we just finished placing the claw machine. It's actually right behind me and the owner is hooking it up with some food. So it's actually a Pakistan restaurant. We've never had Pakistan food, right? Oh my god. The pizza, that looks so good.
It's not pizza, it's the bread.
Oh, it's bread?
Yeah, garlic bread.
Should I give it a try?
Yeah.
Let's try the rice. Oh yeah, that's good.
That's good?
Yep. I want to try the goat. It's my first time trying goat. Yeah, the goat is good. It's really good actually. Well, there we go. We finally got our very first claw machine on location. It was very exciting because, you know, we finished placing the machine and literally the kids were playing with it for like, what, 10 minutes?
It was longer than that. It was non-stop.
It was. Well, like I'm pretty sure there's at least 25 bucks in the machine, and it was so funny because the mom was also there playing with the kids.
She was probably more entertained than the kids were.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
Cute.
And also, I'm not sure if you guys saw, but the owner hooked it up with the free food, and so quick shout out to him. I'm actually gonna show the name of the restaurant just in case you guys want to come and eat and maybe play the machine, give me some money. But the name of the restaurant is called Barbecue King. It's in Dallas, Texas. But anyways, they have like Pakistan food, but they also have like burgers. They got beef. We tried goat for the first time.
It was good.
All right, so before we plug in, and we also got a bunch. All right, but anyways, all right, and there we go. We finally got our very first claw machine on location. Like it's very exciting. I'm sounding exciting.
Ay, piojo.